Okay, here I have a 2025 Chevy Trax with a 1.2 liter engine, and I want to show real quick how to do an oil change. You have your oil fill cap right there, and next to it is the dipstick, so they make it pretty easy. And it does take 0W20 full synthetic Dexos. I think it's supposed to be Gen 3. And if you don't know what engine, because there's another one, there's a sticker on the top of the hood right here. Okay, at the bottom, there's nothing covered. There's your oil filter, and then there's your drain plug. The drain plug is a 15 millimeter. I mean, that's about it. And then the only thing you got to be aware of is that it's an aluminum pan, so the drain plug torque is going to be very low. It's 14 newton meters or 10.33 foot-pounds, which I felt like was a little low, but like I said again, it is an aluminum pan, so you just got to be careful with that. And like I said, it does have 3 different engines, 1.0, 1.2, which is LIF, or 1.2 L4H, L4K, LBP, or LIH. And if you don't know which one you have, I'll show at the end of the video how to find out which one you have. But if it's the 1.0 or the 1.2, it's 4 quarts. And then the other 1.2, which are 4 variants, is 4.2 quarts. So if you don't know which one you have and you don't really care, just add the 4 quarts first, run the engine, and then check your oil level. And if it needs a little more, then just add a little more. All right, it is 0W20. Like I said, Dexos 1 Gen 3. All right, and then to reset your oil life, you're going to turn on your ignition. And then the fastest way with engine off, ignition on, engine off, press down on the gas pedal 3 times. And that always works on Chevys. But if you want to look to see if it reset, you press the select button. It'll take you here to the vehicle. And usually the first one is oil life, but I had it on something else. And it'll say 100% right here. But if it doesn't, you just hold this button right here. And you hold it for about 5 seconds. All right, and it'll say if you want to reset, you scroll up and you just click the little check mark again, this one right here, and then that'll reset your oil life too. Now, depending on the Chevy Trax you have, it might also have this different setup, and if you have this setup, you have to do the reset. You can still do the pressing down on the gas pedal all the way down 3 times within like 5 seconds. That'll also work. Or you're going to have to use the radio menus to reset it. And there's a ton of videos on how to do that, so you can just look it up on YouTube. If you want to check what type of engine you have, you can come here to the NHTSA website. It says up there, put in your VIN, and then there's like 14 pages of information. Eventually, you'll find which one it is. Another way is you can scan the QR code where the door jamb is here, where this sticker is. And then if you scan the QR code, it'll open up for me, it opens up Safari, and it comes with the VIN and all the little what do you call them, RPO codes for this car. But this is only on Chevy. And then if you click on the search bar, and it opens all this up, and then down here it'll have the RPO code for your engine, again LBP. So that's very simple. Also, I was using an Apple phone, so if it's like an Android, it's probably a little different. But yeah, that's how you look up what type of engine you have. So if you have any questions, just let me know and I'll try to help you out.